Hello again. So now you can talk about what you are doing and you can use the third person. Of course, in English, we have many different actions and many different people we can talk about. So in this last part of the lesson, we'll check how to talk about any person doing anything. Are you ready? So, again, we have this information. Affirmative, negative, and questions. So, for first person, so remember always with the verb to be, I'm working. Again, using the contraction I am, I'm working. He's working. She's working. It's working. And then you're working. We're working. They're working. In negative, I'm not playing. He isn't playing. She isn't playing. You aren't playing. We aren't playing. They aren't playing. And we have the questions. Am I eating? Is he eating? Is she eating? Is it eating? Are you eating? Are we eating? Are they eating? Again, when we have a question, we also need an answer. So affirmative and negative. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Yes, they are. No, they aren't. So on this screen, you have all the information you need to talk about any person using present continuous. Let's just try a few examples. Look at the picture. What can you see? We have a little girl. What's she doing? You can see we have a space here for a question, and then we have an answer. So think, what's the question here? What question can we ask about this little girl? Is she eating a banana? Is she eating a banana? And what's the answer? Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Let's try the next one. So here we have a different picture. What can you see? What's happening in the picture? Again, we have a question and an answer. So you can see here we have a newspaper. What's the verb for this? And how can we use this in present continuous? What's the question? Are they reading a newspaper? Are they reading a newspaper? And the answer? What's the answer? No, they aren't. No, they aren't. If we want to give more information, we can say they're playing video games. They're playing video games. Let's try one last example. What's happening here? So notice we're asking a question with you. With you. So what's the question? How can we complete the information? Are you having a shower? Are you having a shower? Are you having a shower? What's the answer? No, no, I'm not. Are you having a shower? No, I'm not. I'm watching this video. I'm watching this video. So that's the end of the videos. You have some final activities to practice. I hope that now you are an expert with present continuous. I hope you like this online class. Thank you for watching.